This is Irontrader. It is Friday morning. So as usual, we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily and your weekly chart. Now we can see here how nice this inverse head and shoulders pattern is playing out, I should say. There's your left shoulder, there's your head, there's your right shoulder, and bam, there she goes. Okay, so today's high we had so far is 82.72. So obviously we're here just above this candle out here. If you look at the bottom, that's 82.40. The next level we're looking at here is going to be 83.30, and then we're going to be looking here at 83.91, and then we have 84.46. Bring that price channel right across. That's what we're looking for here on the first level here. Okay, you can see here how nice this 8 SMA. See, look at there, across the 21, across the 50-day, the 200-day, the 100-day, and she's rolling up. As long as it holds this on a closing basis, this 8 SMA here, this is going higher. Just that simple, okay? So let's look at the downside. Got to look at the downside. Okay, we want to look at yesterday's high. We have that 82.04, and then we come over here. You're looking at 81.90, and then we have 81.79. But this is what you're looking for right here is this 81.28, that 8 SMA. That is going to be very, very key. Now, again, if that's lost, then we can just follow the candles down. You have 80.85 here. This is the key level. This is your neckline. That's 80.62 off the inverse head and shoulders pattern. And then we can come all the way down here to your Hondo here, which is sitting at 79.97. And then we have your 200-day at 79.50. And then we have your 50-day at 79.35. And then obviously your 21-day here at 78.50. Look at your 21-day here. See how it came down, flattened out, was holding here real nice. Now she's rolling right on up very, very nicely. And of course, with this 8 SMA here, looking very, very good. RSI, where you're sitting at 62, that's got plenty of room to go higher. And this buy signal here on your MACD, your green over your red, this is what happens, okay? When you get that spread, easy peasy, okay? So let's just see today if we can hold that price channel. That's what we're going to be looking for here on a closing basis. Okay, we're looking right here, which is 82.04. That was yesterday's high. That's what now we're looking for to close on. Okay, if that's lost, we really have to hold that 8 simple moving average. And then on the upside, we have that 82.72 so far. But this is what we're going to be looking for if we're going to start ratcheting up these candles here to go higher. So I'm long, and I'm also trading it, scalping it every day. So looking very, very good. Now, here, look on the weekly chart here. You had that bottoming tail right there. And then what we have now, look at this. You have a nice series of higher highs and higher lows, looking very nice, and you're above all this key support level here. Okay, so you have your 79.98. We have your 50-day here at 79.92. And we have your 100-day at 79.49. And look at your 8 SMA here, 78.70. But look how nice she's curling right up here. Very, very nice to push this bad boy higher. Now, big picture, 87.67. That's your big picture, and that would be the retest here. Okay, so when we look here on the weekly chart, this is what we're looking for. This is your key level that we're going to be going to, is that at 84.46. There's a next key level, 85.64. And then we'll haul up here. You're looking at 86.18. And then right here is that 87.67. That's what you're looking for. That's a big, big retest. And then if it gets up there, we don't know yet, but if it does get up there, then we'd have to see what it does when it actually gets up there. But right now, you have a bullish trend going here, and this looks very, very good. You got plenty of room to run on your MACD, your RSI, same way here on your weekly chart. So this is looking very, very bullish. Any pullback is a buying opportunity. Okay, let's take a look here at natural gas. Okay, it looks like natural gas. We got some sideways action here. Here's your daily chart. Okay, see? Nice. Okay, so what we had here is we had a series of lower highs, lower lows, came all the way down, decided to rally up here, got up to the 8-day. Here's what your contract roll was. It popped right on up here and then popped down. Now, yesterday, what we did is it ran up here and it got through that 8 SMA, but you notice that it couldn't hold it, okay? It didn't close. It closed at 270, and that 8 SMA here is sitting at 2.759. Okay, so what today so far is we're just sitting sideways action. We have what they call an inside day. Your high and low is within the high and low of the previous day. That's all that means. Okay, so what we need to do is on the upside, we have to look at the upside. Okay, so here we have 2.795. That's your 8 SMA. That is going to be very, very key. If we can get above that, then we have 2.80. That's your 21 SMA. Okay, so these are the two critical areas that you need to get above here today. And that's going to become very, very big resistant levels. Okay, if you can get above that, then we'll just come here 2.83. You have 2.84. We have a top of this candle here. You're looking at 2.86. Then we go to this gap area. You're looking at 2.87. 2.91, and then right up here roughly is 2.95. That is your target area. Now, again, if we get above that, yeah, then we can follow the candles up. But let's not get too excited because 8-day, 21-day, going to be very, very strong on a closing basis. That's the key. Okay, now let's take a look here at the old downside. Well, what you always want to do is watch yesterday's low. That's sitting at 2.67. Very, very key. However, when you look at that, it's 2.673. But when you come right to the left of the chart here, okay, we had 2.672. See that? See, that's your support levels. So always look to the left of the chart. That's where it's going to be. Now, next in line here is going to be that 8 SMA. You're sitting at 2.65. So if this 2.67 is left, then we come to that 8-day. That's 2.65. If that's lost, then we'll come right to the bottom of this candle. You're looking at 2.635. Okay, that's your support levels and it lines up very, very nice here. Then we come here, you have 2.60, 2.57 here, and then we come to the bottom of that candle. You got kind of 2.51, and there's your price channel. Now you can see while this price channel, it moved up here, and now she's going sideways. So now your channel is rising up here. So don't give up on the old natty gas. It's going to be a matter of time before it's going to blow through that 8-day and that 21-day and going to go up higher. Okay, so just be patient, patient, patient. Now, again, as long as we hold that 8-day by the end of today, very, very good. If not, you're going to come down to that 50-day very, very easily. But this here is still looking very good. And now look at your 21-day. Looks like it wants to curl right on up here. So overall here, we have that series of lower highs and lower lows. That's not good. But, big but, we just have some sideways action now. Let's see how this all shakes out. But, we know we held that key support level there, right off that candle. And now we have that inside day. But you got to get above this 8 SMA, that 21 SMA. Then she can run higher. But on a closing basis, we don't want this. See where you pop up, come down, pop up, come down, pop up, come down. See, yesterday, pop up, come down. You can't, that's not going to go higher, okay? That's a good intraday trade, absolutely. But if you're, let's say you're a long-termer, you got to close above that 8-21-day. Then we can just start ratcheting all up here. And then we have the nice big target up there at 3.159. But again, patience, patience. Now, RSI here, we're starting to level off. This here is still the green below the red. Every time I point that out, that's never good. Okay, green above the red, bullish. Green below the red, not so much. Okay, very, very simple. So for today, watch that 8-day, watch that 21-day. Downside, watch yesterday's low, very, very key. Watch that 8 SMA here. Okay, 2.65, and then watch the bottom of that candle at 2.63. Okay, I'll be back here midday trading, and we'll go a little bit more in depth here on the crude and natural gas, and then we always throw something else in the old mix. Okay, thanks for watching.